Hey guys, I have put this information out there before in a couple of different types of videos. I've got a somewhat of a mixed audience here. I've got my t-shirt students, my design students, and then I've got my peers over in the Doodly design group, which is a whiteboard animation video software. And I have created videos for all of you guys. And a lot of you could probably use the same tools, but I've sort of directed a lot of these videos to, specific groups. And what I'm about to show you are a set of tools that you can all use. So I wanted to make sure I put this all together in one cohesive video so that you can all benefit from it. All right. So today I'm going to talk about where you can find free fonts and graphics that includes SVG graphics for your design work, whether it's for personal use, commercial use, social media work. If you are wanting to add some cool text into your social media posts, maybe into your blog posts, different things that you can put perhaps on like a t-shirt or a mug, different things that you can maybe add onto like wedding invitations, all that kind of stuff. Okay, and we all know that when we are starting a new business, or even if we've been at it for a little while, it helps to find as many free tools as we can because it's great to save money. So today, this is what I am showing you, and I'm going to show you about 5 different websites, all right? And again, cool thing, you can do this stuff for free. So I'm going to start with a website called Creative Fabrica, and by the way, I'm going to have all the links to these things in the description box below. So Creative Fabrica, what you do, you will create a free account, all right, and you will see here, all right, they've got all kinds of stuff. They've got all different kinds of handwritten and regular fonts, scripts. They've got all kinds of cool little graphics, crafty stuff, even embroidery stuff, all these fun things that you can do. They've got bundles, all right. I don't know if they give any bundles away for free, but they do have them. All right, but what you want to do is, they've got discount deals, daily gifts, but what you want to do is you want to pay attention to this freebie thing, okay? And when you sign up for these websites, they're going to send you emails, but you're going to want these emails because they're giving you free things, free tools for you to use and hopefully make money off of, okay? So you would click on freebies and it'll load. And what you would do here is you would take a look and see what they're giving away. Okay, so let's just say, I don't know, let's just say here you want to add some text, okay, like a different font. Like this might be really cool for a wedding or like a bridal shower invitation, okay? But right here you can see you're going to get this for free. All right, and I've gotten lots of these and I have used them. I've used them on my designs and I've used them in my Doodly videos and they have been beautiful, okay? All freebies on Creative Fabrica come with their commercial license, okay? So here we go for any commercial project, all right? And then it says it here again, okay? And then if you want to, you can always click there and you can read all about their licenses, okay? So just a good thing to have in your toolbox, all right? And this is what you get. And if you're using, say, Doodly, you would get a file that looks like this. You would just upload it into Doodly, and it would be the same thing. If you're using, whether it's iPicky.com or Canva, you'd have to have Canva Pro to actually add your own font in there. There are other design programs, as you know, you would be able to bring your fonts in as well. All right, but that's how Creative Fabrica works, okay? So next we're gonna go to Creative Market. All right, same thing, you sign up, you get a free account, and what you would do here, and they've got the same thing, but they've apparently got photos. I haven't used their photos, but they've got graphics and templates and fonts and all kinds of really cool stuff, all right? You would get free goods, and this would also come in your email. And as you can see here, all right, these would be the 6 right now that are unlocked, and then it'll tell you, what might be coming up at some point. Okay, maybe soon. All right, or discounted even. Okay, so say you like this painted brush one, you would just click on that. Okay, you would want to read the license type. All right, I would imagine this one might be free for commercial use. I'm pretty sure that Creative Markets does, but I would always have you guys check for sure. Don't ever just take my word for something. Don't ever just take anybody's word for something. Always do your own due diligence, okay? But even if you are wanting to just use this, say again, for your Doodly or your whiteboard animation videos, you can use stuff like this, obviously, for your blog posts, your social media graphics, and there's a very good chance you could also use them for your, for your commercial projects, all right? So now we're going to go to, so that's Creative Market. So now we're going to go to designbundles.net, okay? Now Design Bundles has a sister company called Font Bundles, and we are going to go over there in just a moment, all right? But as you can see, again, you'd sign up for your free account and you would go over here to free designs. And then as you can see, it's giving you what the current free downloads are. If you see something you like, it's sort of something you'd want to jump on as soon as you can, because usually when they give these freebies away, they are for a limited time. It would be the same thing with the discount deals, okay? So, like in this case, I'm trying to look here and see exactly, you won't see the fonts here, you'll see that on Font Bundles, but okay, all of these are graphics. So let's just say you wanted to grab some SVGs and put something like that again into your art or into your whiteboard animation videos. This is something you would be able to do, okay? Easter's going to be coming up, and here's your little egg hunt SVG file if you're wanting to make SVGs, to try to sell. Obviously, you're not going to sell the things that you're buying, but perhaps you'd be able to take these and create different designs out of them, okay? And it says here you can create your own t-shirts, mugs, stencils, wall art, greeting cards, and much more. All right, and you can use for all kinds of stuff. And let me see here. It also says this free design comes with their premium license, which allows for commercial and personal use. And then you can find the licensing terms right there. Okay, and it's going to tell you what the commercial use is. Okay, so I would definitely look into that. All right. And then their font bundles really just goes by fonts. All right, so you would click on free fonts. Again, perfect whether you're creating printable art or designs that maybe you want to use a print-on-demand company and sell the wall canvases and stuff like that, or pillows or t-shirts or mugs or phone cases or whatever it is that you want to sell. There's all kinds of cool stuff that you can sell with print-on-demand, okay? So we'll look at this really cool one here. I like this one. And again, these are free. And again, you will also get the email telling you what's free, what they're giving away that particular time. All right. All right. So that again is fontbundles.net. All right, and again, I will have the links to all of these in the description box below. The last one I'm going to show you here is Pixabay, and I am a huge fan of Pixabay. They're not going to send you emails, and you don't absolutely have to sign up for an account with them. However, it does help to create a free account with Pixabay, because every time you download something, they are likely to get you to, I don't know, do that CAPTCHA thing or click that you're not a robot. Even if they don't, if you're looking to save yourself some time, it helps to already be signed in, okay? So, and it also might give you the opportunity, if you want to favorite something, then you might be able to go back in and kind of check that out. Oh, what was that thing I liked that day? You might be able to find it. I don't know for sure, but that could be an option, okay? So when it comes to Pixabay, and I have used this for all kinds of cool stuff. I've used this for my digital art. I've used this for t-shirts. I've used this for my Doodly, especially my Doodly videos, okay? I've taken photos and I have created the drop paths in the Doodly videos, and I have also added the vector graphics, okay? And they do have SVGs here. So if I'm going to say, look for, I don't know, let's go for dog, because I do love dogs. And we would look up vector graphics. And here you would see all kinds of vector graphics that you could use. All right, now what Pixabay does not want you to do would be to download the graphic and then sell it, okay? And they don't want you like painting anything, I suppose, in a negative light, or at least I'm pretty sure I had read that. But you would be able to take something like this graphic here, okay? And you might be able to create something like digital paper out of it, or you'd be able to maybe throw it into part of your design, something to that effect, okay? So these are all free for commercial use. No attribution is required, all right? And if you go to free download, you'd see it comes in PNG form, but it also comes in SVG, okay? So if you're looking for a vector, that's where you would type something into the search box and then you would hit the vector graphics, okay? Now in this case, as you can see, this dog has a transparent background. That is something I didn't show you yet. And before I do that real quick, when you get the SVG, when you grab this and you put it into your Doodly video, you would go to, and I have a video on this as well, I will link to it probably in the end screen or perhaps in a card right up around here at this point in the video. But I did do a video on how to load the draw paths and the dog will draw itself. Okay, that's if you're doing a video. All right, but in this case, what you would do here, okay, is you'd go under color, all right? Like you would come over here, I've got dog, I've got vector graphics, but you'd want to go to color and hit transparent. All right, this is if you are using it as, you know, say printable art or, you know, something to put on a print on demand product. You don't want a background back here. Okay, with Doodly, it might not matter as much. But if you're using this to create art, you probably don't want a background. Okay, same thing even with a social media graphic. So that is how you use Pixabay. As far as fonts go, they really don't have any. I would not count on Pixabay to try to upload any fonts. All right. However, for graphics and for pictures and stuff, excellent, excellent, totally free tool that I have been super happy with. So guys, 5 different websites that you can grab free fonts and graphics for. You would have to create free accounts for them, maybe not so much for Pixabay, but all of them, they will be so helpful. I know what it's like to start my creative journey, wanting to try to keep costs down. So I certainly hope that this information helps you out. All right, if you have any questions or any comments, let me know in the description box below in the comments section. I will link to everything I have shared with you here. I have got several videos, both on whiteboard explainer videos and then digital printable art. And I even have a couple videos on the print on demand, and I've got some courses as well. I will link to those as well in the description box. Okay, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. I appreciate your comments and your shares and you subscribing to the channel. I have watched my subscription base grow in the last year, and I have you guys to thank for it. And I wish you guys a lot of luck on your creative journeys. And until next time, take care.